Hey guys, this is my new hopefully new, I just got it and I unboxed it, shower rack, and these are all the pieces it comes with. So it has two of these big wire pieces and then it has two small ones. One of them has a hook, so that's useful if you have like one of those little poof balls and you want to hang it from there or whatever you want to use that for. It also has some more hooks that you can dangle off the side. It clamps onto the pole with these. There's four of them. For the four here, we have an instruction manual. But before we get to that, we'll look at the poles. We have D here. We have A, C, and then we have the rest of these metal poles here, which are B. The labeling will make sense in a second. You have all the things that are included here. You can see all the instructions on how it works and everything. That's pretty much it. So those are your instructions. You can like pause it if you need to look at it more. But from here, if we flip it over, you also have the dimensions for each of the poles, the length, and all that stuff. So we're gonna go assemble this upstairs in my bathroom, and then we'll look and see how all of this looks. And this is it in my shower. We used almost all the poles. We only have two of the long ones left and we did not use the short one, but check it out, guys. So the bottom, it sits very nicely down there. And then the top, it sits very nicely up there. That little piece of paper that you can see it's kind of stuck to it is actually instructions on how you can twist it and lock it. And it has a spring in there, so you extend it a little bit further than it's supposed to be, and then you just push it up against the top, and then it stays up there. Don't mind the cobwebs. Let's ignore those and let's look at everything I have in here. So on the bottom level, I have my shaver down here so it can dry, and this little scrubber I can put down there so it can dry too. I have my shave butter right here. I might put some more like shave butter or whatever right here, but this is for my face wash and then my face scrub. And then next I have my shampoo and conditioner that I use, as well as my soap, which we can put down this way. I have more soap back there, soap up there, shampoo up there, and that's pretty much everything. And I still have room. Like I still have all this space right here. I put the hooks over there. I'm not using them right now. I still have more space in here. Obviously I have more space in here. And this one's pretty well used. And now I don't have everything cluttered down there, cluttered here, wherever. So I like this. I think this is pretty good. I'm excited that it's in my shower. If you want one, it'll be below.